Come on, well, can you just take a skate? And I was like, no. I gave you all the information. As good as it's getting. I kind of like this place. This is a cosmetic store. Yeah, that's it.
Not so much.
What is that? They got nice stuff in there. It's just, most of them are closed down. Man, I went on see you that all day. Where are you going? By the time we come out of here, it'll be completely dark. And that'll be on.
Oh, wow. Oh, this is your spot. Thank you very much. H&M up there too.
Crepes in the city.
You like those?
Crepes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
We used
pancakes?
to make them in our French fries. They got
Oh,
a
yeah?
tiny machine. You put them on and make it really flat. And you just stuff them with the computer.
Let's go down that way. Go down. I like it there. Eat our own. It's a whole day event, I think. The little girl.
The little girl just behind her.
Oh, yeah?
Got a whole day.
Hope it's just pale or something.
I don't know. It's very black.
You like that outfit right there?
Yeah, the one in the middle?
Yeah.
Yep.
I see you in that all day.
Where are you going?
Kind of favor Chicago a little bit.
Really?
Not so much, but kind of.
Kind of out here, but it's not. Yeah, yeah.
Coach.
They got a black and white house facing market there.
What is that?
Wow, they got nice stuff in there. It's just, most of them are closed down.
Men or women or both?
Women. This is, I'm telling you, there used to be a mall down there. They probably moved all of them down here and made them all storefronts now.
Oh, this is a spot.
Taco, tequila, and margaritas. They have a $10.99 lunch special. You want to go in?
You go now? Let's walk down and come back.
I just want to make sure you don't miss the lunch special. What time is it? This is the lunch. Just serve there. Look, they say it's a cosmetic store.
Yeah, I'm saying 70% off. Starbucks. H&M. Straight ahead. What's the deal with this gift wrap?
It's probably light up at night.
Yeah.
We can definitely come back up here in the spring.
Oh, yeah. You go here.
Oh, yeah, you can got guy stuff too, right?
My side. I'll be over here for a second.
Did y'all go try to text them out? Well, can you just pick us up and take us skate? And I was like, no. I gave y'all the information. As good as it's getting.
I kind of like this place. Oh, look. You got a nail spot. See that?
Yeah, see it. Wait, what time is it? Is there one of these places that's going to be like, you got an appointment?
Well, let's go find out. And this is our place.
Oh, you got a bar.
Wow. You what?
You downstairs.
Hanging out on the weekends. Seems like you probably go up here at night. No, I'm gonna go all the way up to the east, across the coast. Go out to the right side of the road. Yeah, the lights are starting to come on now. So we get up here early enough, we're gonna hit Ventures. See it lit up. It get dark early.
By the time we come out of here, it'll be completely dark. And that'll be on.
This is nice. I like this place up here.
Are we going straight or
Oh, you
are
turn it right here. This tin is so dark. Oh, yeah.
I thought that was the name of it. It's different.
Se ve que si se nos dio Digo que la noche se puso perfecta con un par de locuras. Contigo las pelis son chismes pero no nos duran. El vibe que tenemos no coge la cura. Que esa noche siempre más que amigos. Bailemos suave, que pa' disfrutarlo es la clave. Yeah. Bailemos suave, baby, que la clave. Baby, que esto se puso intenso. Sácalo salvaje, como te quiero. Y así bien elegante. Es que tengo un party en la casa mía y solo te quiero a ti, con tu mejor lencería. La noche se puso perfecta pa' un par de locuras. Contigo las pelis son chismes pero no nos duran. El vibe que tenemos en la alcoba bebe la cura. Que esa noche seamos más que amigos. Bailemos suave, que pa' disfrutarlo es la clave. Yeah. Bailemos suave, baby, que la clave.
Have a good night, youths.
Hold on for that.
That's all right.